This dude is changing the game. In the past year, this YouTuber named Sam Sulek has blown up. And a lot of people are saying that he has changed the YouTube game. And why people are saying that is Sam apparently has done everything against what all of the gurus, for YouTube been saying for years. Everything that you've been taught about being successful on YouTube, from having a catchy title and having curiosity and clickable terms and all this, to having a thumbnail that's very eye-catchy and pops out at people. Like, Sam Sulek don't do none of that shit, right? All he basically does is record himself throughout the day, put the clips together, and throw it up on a channel. At least that's what it looks like. And obviously that's what he's doing, right? Whether this strategy was on purpose or not, it has worked for Sam Sulek because he has well over 1 million subscribers in a very short period of time. Now, YouTube, I'm sure, loves Sam Sulek. One of the reasons is because YouTube is all about keeping people on the platform, right? So the longer you can keep somebody watching your videos, the better, the more YouTube likes you, right? So by Sam Sulek having all of these subscribers and tons of view time, because of the fact his videos are 15 and 20 minutes long, and then people are just keep watching this content over and over again, like, YouTube is loving that because Sam is keeping people on the platform for long periods of time. Now, that's the obvious reason why YouTube likes Sam Sulek, but here's a reason that a lot of people probably ain't gonna think about, but I thought about this. YouTube is really loving Sam Sulek because how many new YouTubers have Sam Sulek brought to the platform, right? Because of his success. I wish I had a stat, or there was a way to figure out how many people in the fitness industry just like, damn, it's this easy to pop off on YouTube? Shit, I'm gonna start me a YouTube channel. Look at this dude. Like, this dude don't do no fancy edits. He ain't got no fancy ass thumbnails, simple ass titles. Man, if he can do it, I can do it, right? So I'm sure Sam Sulek has brought thousands of new YouTubers to the platform, which is great for YouTube because YouTube wants as many people on their platform as possible, whether it be viewers, whether it be creators. So I bet Sam Sulek has brought a lot of new creators to the platform, and not just in the fitness industry. I think a lot of people probably see his strategy. They're looking at what he's doing, keeping it simple, and they jumping on the platform. Now, will these people get the kind of success that Sam is getting right now? Probably a lot of them won't, but honestly, it's worth the effort because if he can do it, why can't somebody else do it? Why can't you do it? Why can't I do it? Right? So Sam has proven that you don't need all the glitz and the glamour to be a YouTube star. And here is something funny as hell that I just noticed, right? About, like, when you think about keeping it super simple. Even me, I'm thinking about just toning it down a little bit, even with my thumbnails, keeping it simple. My video is already simple, but I'm even thinking about experimenting with just even simplifying like my thumbnails, right? Because I recently seen in my YouTube studio, I was looking, and this one video has been getting like a lot of views. Not like it's viral, but they've been getting a lot more views than normal, right? So I'm thinking, I was looking at the title of that video and I'm like, what the hell video is this? This video is like 8 years old, right? I actually clicked on a video that has been getting some comments and some views, and I looked at the video, and it's very, very basic ass thumbnail. I mean, it was like 8-9 years ago, dark background, nothing cool about it at all, but it has been getting some views. So that in itself is kind of showing you, like, dumping it down, simplifying things is the new cool right now on YouTube.